Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add margin on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any document. After that click on layout option, and at the corner you can see margins option, then just click here and that's it. From here you can add margin on Microsoft Word. Here you can see 5 options: normal, narrow, moderate, wide and mirrored, and you can choose any option as you want. And you can see it's added successfully. If I select another option, and that's it. Also, if you want to add custom margin, just click here, then click on custom margin option, and then choose orientation. From here you can choose portrait or landscape. If I select landscape and then enter the size and then click on OK, and it's done. You can see your custom margin has been added successfully. And that is how you can add margin on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.